Okay, so quick follow-up. It occurred to me that it doesn't do much good to tell you I'm trying something without telling you whether it's working. So here is a charcoal fire with the bathroom fan blower, Bellows. It's probably not the strongest bellows you ever saw, but it seems to stoke things up. I got to a point where I was sparking metal. It was up to welding heat for sure, so I'm pretty happy about that. Just getting ready for some kitchen knife experiments here. But all in all, I would say, for keep forgetting to do it in landscape instead of portrait. Anyway, for a cheap little forge with a brake drum, it's a cheap little way to blow air in there, and it seems to work. I won't put it up against anything for winners, but I'm forging with it, so take it for what you will. And yeah, have fun. See you on the other side.